Hello students, today we are going to study the intermediate value theorem using Python. So I will do it in a colab. Okay, you have to go on Google and directly write colab provided your Google mail is opened, and then you can type the program and you can run it here itself. It is web based. Okay, so print circular bracket double quote intermediate value theorem, because I want to print this on the screen. So whatever you want to print on the screen, you have to put it in a double quote with the print all small. Okay, now here I am defining a function. So the keyword for it is def. Okay, name of the function I am using as f. So f of x say. Okay, so I am defining a function. I am defining a function f of x. Okay, so def f of x, then colon, because this is the syntax, you have to give a colon. So this function should return me the value. I'm putting one expression which is my polynomial. So my polynomial is x cube. So in my one of the session we have seen that when we have to give raise to, then you have to give double star. So x double star 3 means x cube minus 1.8 into x into, I mean x raised to 2. So the equation is x cube minus 1.8 x square minus 10x plus 17. So let us say this is the polynomial. We are knowing with the intervals a and b. So we will ask it to the user. So a equal to float, input. Okay, so float is a data type, input is a keyword. So you have to write in circular bracket double quote, enter the value of interval a. So whatever value user is going to enter, that will come in the variable a, which is of float data type. Same is for the b. As intermediate value theorem is a bracketing method, we are knowing with the two initial approximations. So we will ask the two approximations a and b. Now the intermediate value theorem is, if f of a into f of b is less than 0, means root lie between a and b. If it is not like that, if f of a into f of b is not less than 0, means root does not lie between a and b. Okay, so I put if the condition is f of a into f of b. Now I have given the same name f. See here, f is the name of my function, so I am writing here f. If I write here fun or any other thing, same name should appear here, because whenever I say f of a, then execution will go to the function. It will perform this operation. Okay, it will replace the value of a to the x. Okay, and then it will perform this polynomial calculation. It will get some value. Similarly, it will be performed for f of b as well. It will take the product, and if the product is less than 0, then it will print root lies between a and b. Because this is the formula for intermediate value theorem, that if f of a into f of b is less than 0, means surely we can say that root lie between these 2 points. If not, then root does not lie. Now let us check it. So I'm running the program. So you can check here, it is connecting. Okay, it is running. So it will connect, initializing. Okay, so we'll get the output. So see here, intermediate value theorem, enter the interval a. Now I know that root lie between 1 and 2. So I will try it. Okay, so I put 1 and 2. So root lies between a and b. Now I'll put some other values to check that program is going correctly. Suppose I'll put 0 and 1 and I'll check. So I entered 0 and 1. So root does not lie between a and b. So this is how you can check whether your program is working or not. Okay. Thank you.